Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Leslie here. This week we are on Unit 1, Week 3. I'm going to read the story of the week from our Wonders Reading Writing Workshop. So go get this book so that you can read along with me. Press pause if you're not ready and play when you're ready to move on. One more time. Make sure you have Wonders Reading Writing Workshop. Let's open our book. And this week we are on week 3, Our Pets. And we're looking for the story called A Pig for Cliff. And it is on page 54. So we're going to keep turning the pages to 54. Passing all of those old stories. By the way, you're always welcome to read the old stories. Just don't read ahead yet. But reading old stories is a good thing. It helps you with your fluency. Oh, page 54. My mistake. So let's make sure you caught my mistake. Page 54. And we're going to be reading A Pig for Cliff. Let's talk about our genre. This story is a fantasy story. It is make-believe. That means the author used their imagination to create a story. Let's go over our essential question. Essential question. What makes a pet special? Read about Cliff's new pet. So this story is going to be about pets and what makes a pet special. And our main character is going to be Cliff and his new pet. So this is Cliff, and this is his new pet. Let's get ready to read the story. We're on page 55. And remember, your writing hand turns into your reading hand. Make sure you're using that pointing finger. Read along with me or follow along. A Pig for Cliff. Turn the page. Let me fix my book. Cliff is glad. Cliff has a new pet. It is Slim. It is a big black pig. Yeah, that's big. Turn the page. Slim cannot fit in. Using my pretend shouting voice, I see an exclamation mark. Come out, Slim! Come is highlighted. It's one of our high frequency words this week. Sam! Cliff cannot sit with Slim. Cliff and Slim slip. Look at all that mud. Uh-oh. Turn the page. Slim can go up. Cliff cannot. Just slipping. Ooh, I see more highlighted words because they are our high frequency words, sight words tonight. Slim can pull Cliff. Slim will be a good pet. See how he's pulling him? He held onto his leg and he's pulling him. The end. I hope you enjoyed our story. A Pig for Cliff. Please practice reading your story. Bye, you guys.